Managers spend hours every week on emails, reports, and meetings. What if ChatGPT can take care of half of that for you? In this video, I will show you 9 hacks that can turn ChatGPT into your personal productivity assistant. Let us get started. Here I am on the free version of ChatGPT. Even with the free version, you can do a lot. In some countries like India, they have the Go plan, which is 400 rupees per month, because even the Plus plan in the US it is $20, but in India you see 2000 rupees, whereas Pro is 19,900 rupees. Our current plan is 0 per month, that is the free plan. Suppose you are worried that ChatGPT will remember what you are doing. In that case, you can use a temporary chat using this dotted circle. So this chat won't appear in history, use or update ChatGPT's memory. And it may be kept only for 30 days. Let us ask, I have just taken up the project manager role. My team member has been spreading rumors about me. How do I handle it? The way you handle this can set the tone for your authority and team culture going forward. So it tells the steps. And I can delete this. This will delete, which is settings to delete any memories saved during this chat. So another hack you can use is personalization. You can turn custom instructions on. What should ChatGPT call you? Let me just say, instead of my name, let me call just master. What do you do? Let me say a project manager. So this is default personality, or I can make it thoughtful and supportive. And in terms of traits, I can use formal professional tone, so that it treats me like a project manager and use formal professional tone. And this will be enabled for new charts. Save. So it says, good to see you, master. That feels good. Even in the free version, you can analyze an image and get insights into what the image conveys. For example, I can drag and drop an image here. I have dropped an AI agent's image. I don't understand the flow in this image. Please explain this image clearly. So it is describing how AI agents interacts with enterprise applications. So each block is explained, sample data, flow. In short, produce the solutions, go back to enterprise applications. You can even redraw this flow in a simplified diagram with arrows, so it is crystal clear. Just say, please do. Well, it may not work all the time. So let us say, I don't see the diagram. I can download this file and open it in Windows. So here is the flowchart generated by ChatGPT free version, which clearly shows all the arrows and simpler diagram. So I am almost out of my quota in free version. Next, let me show you with my Plus account what all you can do with ChatGPT as a manager. Here I am on the Plus account and you can see that by default it uses ChatGPT 5. You can use instant thinking or pro upgrade, which is $200 a month. You can see that it has connectors as well as sources like Gmail, Google Calendar, Canva, HubSpot, etc. First, let us try to use the canvas mode so that you can edit your responses within ChatGPT. Let us say prepare an email to my boss about the project running late and open it in Canvas for editing. Thinking longer for better answer. Project delay email. Canvas for your review and editing. So it has the email here. I can edit this. This provides a split screen where on the left side you have the chat commands and on the right side you can edit your email. Say dear John and delays. Say by the I can say copy this, the edited one, or it even allows suggested edits like I can add emojis, words, sections, let's just say sections. So it has added emojis to each section. If you don't like some of them, you can always delete them like here. I can even increase or decrease the reading level. Current reading level, I can move it up, high school, college, graduate school. I can adjust the length also, make it longer or shorter, and even add a final polish. And finally, I can copy this and send it over to my boss. So this is an excellent paid feature. Another useful feature is projects. You can group your related charts together into a project. From the sidebar, you can create a new project or open an existing project. I have created a project delays. You can see that it has two charts already. Send email draft, which was our previous chart, and email draft preparation, which we edited in Canvas. And with the projects, you can also add related files like your project plans, etc. into the same project so that they are all grouped together in one place. I hope you make use of this feature as well. Another feature you can use with paid account is voice mode. Not this dictate, but here use voice mode. Hello ChatGPT. I am interviewing a candidate for machine learning expert in my team. Can you help me with the interview?
Certainly. I will assist you in a formal and concise manner. Please provide the key areas or technical topics you wish to cover, and I will suggest some appropriate questions.
Please check this question. Can you explain your latest project and what was your role in this project?
Certainly. The question is clear and formally phrased. It appropriately invites the candidate to describe their recent work and their specific responsibilities. You can certainly use it as is.
Next question. How did you set up anomaly detection pipeline in this project?
That's a suitable and clear question as well. It will directly prompt the candidate to explain the technical steps they took and setting up anomaly detection, ensuring a non-ambiguous and formally structured response. Let me know if there's anything else you require.
How can I improve this question?
Certainly. To make the question slightly more precise and formal, you might phrase it as, could you describe the process you followed to set up the anomaly detection pipeline in this project, including any tools or methodologies you used? This adds a bit more clarity and invites a more detailed and structured answer.
So you can use voice mode to get assistance in your project management activities. Next, you can create tasks that run every day and give you summaries. Like create a task to run every morning at 8 a.m. and create summary of previous day's Gmails. So it has created this task to summarize previous day's Gmail. Where do I check these charts? Let's click here on my profile, settings, schedules, you will see that I have other tasks here about stock news and all, and summarize previous day's Gmail. Daily 8 a.m. You can delete or pause this task. But where do you get the notification for this? That you can see here in settings, notifications. So in notifications for tasks, you can see that push and email. You can either enable or disable both of these. Email means it will be sent to the mail ID of the account, and push means you will see it only in ChatGPT itself. So you can schedule tasks that will send you notifications. Since it is next day, we will check it at the end of this video. Now I will show you the new and special agent mode. Agent mode. You can check the connectors here. You can connect to external tools like Gmail, Google Calendar, GitHub, Canva, and ask ChatGPT to process. So let me ask, summarize my client meetings for this week. Let us say yes. You can see that I have meetings scheduled this week with clients. Let us see what it pulls up. Okay, here is a concise summary of your client meetings for the week of 1st September to 7th September. So with X1, X2, X3, follow-up meeting with X4. So there are 6 scheduled meetings with no meetings over the weekend. Make sure you check with this agent mode, and right now the updates may not work properly, but eventually you will be able to even take actions with agents. Another tool you can use is deep research. With this, make sure you enable web search, and you can even connect to your other tools. This saves you hours of research in Googling and tabulating reports. Let us ask it, act as a research assistant for a manager deciding on enterprise AI tools. Compare Microsoft Copilot versus ChatGPT Enterprise on the following factors: pricing, security and compliance, integrations with Microsoft 365 or Slack or CRM, and vendor lock-in risks. Provide executive summary, side-by-side comparison table, risk managers should flag before adoption, a short recommendation for cautious next steps. It asks follow-up questions. What size or type of enterprise is being considered? Let's just say large enterprise. Preferred CRMs. Let us say HubSpot. Compliance standards. Let us say HIPAA for healthcare. Pricing to be focused on per seat or user cost or total. Note that this will take some time to research. I will not go over the results, but understand that this valuable tool is available for you. It completed in about 5 minutes and it did 18 sources and 64 searches. And it got the update here. Executive summary with cost structure, security and compliance, integration and ecosystem, vendor lock-in considerations, and then side-by-side comparison table. Remember, we scheduled a task to send us Gmail at 8 a.m. in the morning. Now it is next day and at 8:02 a.m. we have the summary of your Gmail for September 3 on my inbox. Actually, it went to the folder updates. Let us view this message. So it opens up that message in ChatGPT itself. You will see top important emails less than or equal to 5. You have a payout from Udemy, key AI updates from OpenAI, stock news update from NVIDIA, action items with due dates, none found, no explicit due dates in yesterday's emails. So we get all the updates in our inbox every day with this task, which is great for a project manager. There you have it, 9 ChatGPT hacks every manager should know. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most and which one you find most useful. Thank you. Hi, I am Ganapati Devappa, a premier instructor on Udemy with more than 10,000 students and a 4.5 instructor rating. My latest course, Generative AI for Managers and Leaders on Udemy, highlights the importance of early AI adoption through practical use cases, ROI, return on investment based strategies, and risk management frameworks. You can enroll using the exclusive coupon link in the video description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.